When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoy this fantastic review.
I am currently a patient of Dr. Adam Del Torto and was blessed to find him. I was recently rear-ended by an 18-wheeler big rig truck. Dr. Adam is a godsend. He really takes his time to listen to your needs as opposed to treating one like a patient in an assembly line rushing to the next person. He truly has your best interest at heart. If you're having back and/or neck issues, I highly recommend Dr. Adam Del Torto.
We work hard to ensure everyone is happy and satisfied with our service, and we will work just as hard for you too. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.